Hi. So I had a request over the weekend if I could run through the alphabet doing all of the pure sounds. Now I know in my phonics clips that I might be going at a pace that might be slightly faster than your child needs. And I'm really sorry about that, but I need to be able to cover the whole class. And when I do it online, I can't see how the children are doing. So please do keep giving me feedback. And if you feel they need anything extra to help support them progress, then please do let me know. So I'm going to run through the alphabet now. I'll turn to my small screen so you can see the letters alongside me saying the pure sounds, and then I'll re-say it with nothing else apart from me on screen so you can see me a little bit clearer in case you need to see how my mouth looks when I'm making those sounds. Let's get going. So I'm going to run through the alphabet now, showing you how each letter makes a pure sound. I will only say the sound once because this is how we teach the children in our school. Some schools get them to repeat it over and over again, but when actually you put that into practice reading a word, you can't repeat the letter over and over again and you wouldn't be able to blend the letters together. So we practice by just saying it pure sound once. Let's get going. A, B, K, D, E, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, O, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's try it again backwards. Are you ready? Z, Y, X, U, V, O, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, G, E, D, K, B, A. Well done. Fantastic. Right, let me now try and say the alphabet again, but this time, hopefully, if you're not quite sure how to make the sounds, you can see how my mouth looks when we're making it. Now, if your mouth moves in the sound, then you know you haven't got it right, because it should just be one pure sound. Okay, so A, B, K, D, E, F, G, I, J, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, O, V, W, X, Y, Z. There you go. So I hope that helps. If your child isn't quite ready to keep moving forward with the digraphs, there's definitely no harm in them still watching my clips, because more and more might be absorbed, but you can definitely keep looking back at this clip and making sure they've got all of those pure sounds ready for the alphabet. Enjoy.